Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and finally get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now in this pop-up, Notifications 1, you need to select the best option for you. In my case, Don't Allow. After that, in order to use Send Anywhere, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In newsletters and updates, you need to tap on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Finally, do exactly the same on Samsung tablet. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung smartphone and Receive over here on Samsung tablet. Now choose one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks. Click on Close this window and tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. Then choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose your files and then transfer them. I will go with only one though, so I have to click on, for example, this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now you need to select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing your tablet's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here as well. And click on Receive button. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!